Okay. So, hi, my name is JP and I'm the founder of UFarm. Numisa is an amazing 27-year-old farmer from Khayelitsha Township in Cape Town. She has the passion to farm, the access to land, but she can't get finance to expand production in order to meet her demand. There are thousands of farmers who share Numisa's struggle, and they're the reason that UFarm exists. We fund farmers. Traditional financial institutions are not addressing the funding needs of farmers, and the securities and equities markets are complex and not welcoming to low and middle income earners. UFarm solves this problem by providing farmers with access to collateral-free finance and getting people to invest in crops and livestock and share the profits with the farmers when the produce goes to market. Our target market is comprised of farmers and crop investors. In South Africa alone, there are 2 million smallholder farmers like Numisa. And for crop and livestock investors, we're targeting low to middle income earners. If we're able to get only 10% of them to invest $1,000 a year through our platform, we could potentially unlock $300 million worth of agricultural finance for smallholder farmers. For crop and livestock investors, we're offering anything that's we're offering returns that are higher than anything that's legal on the market. And best of all, you get to choose how quickly you want your returns. The agricultural side hustle is open to everyone. Our business model is simple. Profits are shared after the produce has gone to market. For example, if a farmer requires $1,000 to grow tomatoes, we sell the tomatoes for $2,000. The first $1,000 goes towards paying back the initial investment, and the remaining $1,000 is the profit. So if someone invested the full $1,000, they would walk away with $400 profit. And if they put in $100, they would walk away with $40 profit. UFarm makes money from annual franchise fees, annual agency fees that are paid by the agents, and 20% royalty on profits that are earned by agents on every project that they do. And for every successful project, we charge an investor 3% commission. In the above example, we would make $40 from the agent and $6 from the investors. Starting your agricultural side hustle is easy, and in less than 5 minutes, you can become a part of the agricultural value chain. All you have to do is register your account on the website, start investing. All the information on the project is there, including information on the budgets and information on the farmers. We have built a powerful dashboard that allows you to monitor the progress of your project, send tokens to other users, and investors can cash out whenever they want and spend their money however they want. In order to protect an investor's money, UFarm has a number of risk mitigation strategies. All projects have crop insurance, all farmers have to work with our agents, and we make sure that there's a market for produce. We have direct and indirect competitors, and what sets us apart from our competitors is that we focus on financial inclusion for farmers and investors. Our goal is to change the way agricultural finance is done in Africa by becoming the world's first digital agricultural investment bank. And to make this happen, I have an amazing team behind me, including Hama, who's an amazing software engineer, and he leads an awesome team of developers. And we have Kudzai, who has 10 years experience working in both public and private sector, first as a banker and then in government. We're currently looking for angels that can actually help us scale and also invest so that we can actually reach the next level. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. Unfortunately, your camera didn't work well. Can you try to switch it on once more? And dear judges, you're welcome to.
Hi, Lilia. It's
Yeah.
Kabir. If I may ask a question to the gentleman.
Sure, please do.
I understand your business model. I understand the problem you're trying to solve, right?
Yes.
And you spoke about selling tomatoes,
Yes.
but that's not where the process ends. So could you maybe just give me an understanding of what logistical infrastructure would support this ecosystem?
Okay. So first of all, the most important thing that we do is we work with agents. So agents are people with independent operators who've got an agricultural background, whether that's they've studied animal science or crop science or horticulture. And the job of the agent is to identify farmers who require funding, work with the farmers, help them manage the finance because we don't give the farmers direct access to cash. And they also make sure.
Let me stop you there. I'm talking more about logistics, right? In terms of distribution. So that's what I want you to give me a clear answer to before we run out of time. I just want to understand, you've got the app, you've got the ecosystem, you've got the farmers, you've got the agents, you've got the market. You sell tomatoes. How do tomatoes get from independent you farmer to the consumer?
So part of the agent's job is to make sure that they organize transport and that sort of thing. So all of these things are then built into the actual budget. So they actually make sure that all these things get to market. So the agents are very key in the process.
Yeah, I'm finding it a little bit difficult as to how you would scale on that basis, but nonetheless, okay. Let me think about it a bit more before I'll address you in the side chat, and I'll contact you going forward regarding this.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, Jen. Maybe I can ask a question to follow up on that.
Sure.
How do the money get back from the farmers? How do you collect this money once you give to the farmers?
So it's in the contracts that we sign that we are responsible for the marketing and sale of the produce. And again, the agents are there to ensure that that actually happens. So they work with the farmer from the planting all the way to harvest.
Okay, related to that, how do you ensure that the farmers uses the money like in the right way to the farming?
We don't give the farmers direct cash. The agents are the ones we deploy the money to the agents who then manage, who then basically do project management. So for example, if the farmer needs to buy fertilizer, they'll make the payments on behalf of the farmer.
Okay, thank you.